Hey, does your husband or boyfriend know how to wear a men's scarf? Hi, I'm Wendy Braswell, the beauty and style expert. I'm here today to show you how to wear a men's scarf. There's many ways. I'm going to show you a few to keep it simple. First way, you're going to take a scarf. Now you want to make sure that you have a manly print for your boyfriend or your husband, and you're simply going to drape it around his neck. Very chic, very Hollywood. I'm not trying too hard, I'm just cool. You're going to let that hang. That's one simple way to wear a men's scarf. Second, you're just going to take one end and we're going to flip it around the neck. Simple. Again, you're a jet setter. You're going to throw in a blazer. Looks great. You're not trying too hard. You're still manly in your scarf. Very easy. Third way is you're going to take the other end, you're going to loop it around, and we're actually going to spin it. Now you have the loop around your neck, which is warmer, and you have both ends coming. You kind of make them uneven. It's a little bit more interesting and visually appealing to the eye. This is great if you're going outside, if you're wearing a blazer, a jacket, a leather coat. Great ways. 3 simple ways to wear a men's scarf. You can do it. It takes practice. Get in front of the mirror and practice a little bit. If you'd like more style tips, you can find me on the web at wendybraswell.com.